direct question, what, who, which. In this module, you'll learn how to use question words like what, who, and which to write what, who, and which questions. WH words like what, who, and which are used to ask questions. They help us to get more information. Let's take the conversation between Jimmy and Mary to learn how to ask strangers for their names. Hello, Mary. Hi, Jimmy. Here, Jimmy notices that Mary is someone with her that he does not know. Let's look at the two scenarios, how Jimmy asks Mary about the stranger. Mary, what is your friend? What is my friend? I mean to ask for your friend's name. Oh, she's Elizabeth. This is my friend Jimmy. Hi, Jimmy. Scenario B. Mary, who is she? Oh, she's Elizabeth. Elizabeth, meet my friend Jimmy. Jimmy, this is Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Jimmy. It's nice to meet you. Which of the above two scenarios would you use to ask strangers for their names? Well, you can observe that scenario B is better than scenario A. The three direct question words are what, who, and which. Who is used to refer to a person or when asking for a person's name. Example, who is the monitor of this class? What is used to ask for more information about people or things. What are you and your friends doing after school today? Which is used in questions where there's a fixed set of answers, where the person who replies will choose one. Example, which pack will you prefer? The yellow one or the black one? WH words, who, what, and which, are used in order to form direct questions. Who is used to refer to a person or when asking for a person's name. What is used to ask for more information about people or things. Which is used in questions where there is a fixed set of answers and where the person who replies will choose one. Let's summarize. The three direct questions are what, who, and which. Who is used to refer to a person or when asking for a person's name. What is used to ask for more information about people or things. Which is used in questions where there's a fixed set of answers and where the person who replies will choose one. In this module, you've learned how to use question words like what, who, and which to write what, who, and which questions.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Learning Mavericks.